To maintain health, you need to show emotion in helpful ways. An emotion is a feeling inside you. There are many kinds of emotions. Here are some helpful ways to express emotions. Fear. Talk to your parents or guardian. Be honest. The adult may be able to help you get over your fear. Caring. Caring is showing concern for others. If you care for someone, tell him or her he or she may feel the same way about you. Sadness and grief. Grief means a feeling of being very sad. People feel grief over a loss, such as when a pet dies. They may feel grief when they are disappointed. Let your emotion out by crying. Talk to a responsible adult about the pain you feel. Keep a private journal. Joy and happiness. When you feel joy and happiness, show it. Don't try to hide how you feel. Smile or laugh. Your joy and happiness could make others feel happy.